This is the Gerber EAB LITE utility knife. It's got an exchangeable razor blade as a blade. As you can see, it is a folding utility knife. It comes with a pocket clip to carry it with. They also call this a money clip, but I don't know so much about putting money in this. I think nice try on the money clip claim, but let's just go ahead and leave it as pocket clip. Folds up really compact. Doesn't have a lot of protrusions on it to catch on your clothing. All it is just the pocket clip, which makes for a great utility knife. Can always guarantee that your knife's going to be razor sharp, because all you have to do is have a fresh razor inside as a blade. It's held open by a liner lock. This is the Gerber EAB LITE utility knife, model number 31-000345.